The structures of the upper and lower eyelids are completely different. The upper eyelids usually have primarily extra skin. Sometimes there's a little strip of extra muscle there as well. On the lower eyelids, generally the people that have problems with that are complaining about bags. Those bags are actually the fat that cushions the eyeball and sits behind a small septum or membrane. By removing small amounts of that extra fat, I can make that contour a lot smoother. If you notice that when you have photographs taken of yourself, most of the lighting is overhead. When you see your picture, you'll notice that you see those bags in the shadows. By smoothing out that contour and getting rid of those little pieces of extra fat, I can make your eyelid a lot smoother, and when you have overhead lighting in photographs, it looks a lot better. People look a lot younger in pictures, and when others are speaking to them, they're looking right at their eyes generally, and subconsciously it makes people look a lot younger. So by doing a procedure on both the upper and lower eyelids, the entire face changes, but in a subtle way. On the upper eyelids, removing extra skin and sometimes a little sliver of muscle is a very simple thing to do under local anesthesia. I try as much as I can to avoid having people having to go under general anesthesia, because if it's not necessary, it's best to avoid it. People recover much faster without general anesthesia. Even if you're in good health, it's best to avoid it. You feel much better after a procedure if you've just had local anesthetic, and you would be able to tolerate it much better than you probably think. Pretty much everybody's nervous about having local anesthetic because they feel like they need to get an injection. But the way I give it, I go slowly, I make sure people are comfortable, so you would have a much better experience than you think you would. And you get out of there within a matter of 30 minutes or so, looking terrific, and then just having to take care of a couple of small stitches. This is Dr. Kutty. If you have questions about eyelid surgery or any other kind of procedure, please give us a call at Luxe Plastic Surgery. Our phone number is 281-313-0551.